Hello everyone. Today I wanted to introduce you to the new DIY project maker on my website. So for the purposes of today's demonstration, we will assume that you've already downloaded the designs that you want to use in your project. And I'm going to show you how to make a quick Halloween throw pillow cover, double-sided throw pillow cover that you can use for the upcoming Halloween season. So just go to my website and click on the DIY Project Maker. That will bring you to my Spreadshirt site. We'll want to choose a product, accessories, and we'll go down and find the throw pillow cover. This is a cover that you can put on an existing pillow. It zips, and that way you can avoid having to buy extra pillows. You can just keep changing the pillow covers. I'm going to do it with the light gray color. Hit select. And then we will need to upload the designs that we've already saved to our computer off of the website. So we will click here saying that yes, we are allowed to use these designs. And then we go to find where our designs are on your computer. Halloween. Okay, we're going to start with the Hocus Pocus pumpkins. Upload that, and I also want to upload the hanging out bat design. I'm going to save some money by putting one design on one side of the pillow cover and the other on the second side, and that way I'll have two pillows in one. So we want to use our design that we just uploaded. Click, select, and then you can resize it within the box. You'll see if you make it too big, it turns pink, showing you that you have made it too large or that it's outside of the imprint area. So I'm going to make it as big as I can, centered on the pillow, and then click on the back. Do the same thing. Choose my bat design, enlarge it, center it. You'll see as you move it around, the guidelines will help you center it perfectly on the pillow. So, as you can see, the one side has welcome, come in and hang out for a spell. And it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. Click on Get Price. 1. And you'll see it's got the total price $20.99, which is not bad for 2 pillows when you think about it. When you add it to the cart, you'll have the option to click on, right now they're having a sale, free shipping, now through the 23rd of September. So if you're watching this video early on, you'll be able to take advantage of that free shipping. Just by clicking on the redeem button, it will add it right to your cart and take the shipping charges off for you. And just for future reference, anytime that they do have a sale going on, it will always show up here in the top center of the page, and you'll be able to click on to automatically add it to your cart. So I'll just show you real quick. If you click on redeem code, go to your cart, you'll see that it did take off the free shipping for you. Then you'll just go through the checkout process, and within a few days, you will have your awesome pillow project delivered to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.